I fear that we're going to see another video like this in the future, involving the same person.
Weld County Sheriff's Captain Matt Turner is watching a video of 21-year-old Ephraim DeBisa throwing punches at people who were already knocked out.
Let's see here.
We're choosing only to use screen grabs from the video.
The victim is unconscious. He continues to punch him in the face.
But attempted murder and assault charges against DeBisa have now been dropped. Not because he didn't do it, but because he failed to prove competent to stand trial.
We're releasing someone that we don't think should be released. We're releasing someone who is a danger to the community.
It's the latest example of a case influenced by a tweak to Colorado law. Turner says DeBisa is being released because there aren't enough beds to send him to the state hospital, where people are supposed to go to help restore competency.
I absolutely think that this guy's going to do this again.
And the fear is that the next time he will kill somebody.
This woman says her brother was also knocked out by DeBisa in downtown Greeley.
Honestly, I get shaky just thinking about it.
She asked us not to share her name for safety reasons, but she says this law is re-victimizing their family.
Our local officials have their hands tied. They're trying to protect us, and they can't. They had to release this person today.
And frankly, the way the law is written has a get-out-of-jail-free card.
Turner says the law has good intention, but until the state can also support those found incompetent to stand trial, the severity of offense needs to be considered before someone's released.
Today, it protected a person who was being held on attempted second-degree murder, and that's the biggest problem here.